Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. So, a quick little update for you guys. We've been having a couple people asking us why ticker symbol GME and a lot of the other hype stocks like AMC and NOK saw a very aggressive push. This was shortly after the market opened. This is the 1 day, 1 minute chart, and as you guys can see, it went from overall lows of around $50 a share, and it nearly hit almost $100 a share. So it pushed 88%. And to keep this super short and sweet, Robinhood removed all restrictions when it comes down to the 13 stocks that they were previously limiting their users on the number of shares that they could buy. So Robinhood no longer restricts any of their traders, and I think that just with that news, it's safe to say that a lot of people just jumped back into the hype, and for the first time I think in the past 3 to 4 days we actually saw a really nice movement when it comes down to GME and a really nice movement with AMC. One of the things that I do want to say, and again this is just my opinion, but shortly after this pump it looks like it just quickly began to correct itself and it flatlined. It kind of just gave back all of its profit or all of those gains since then. I sold the majority of my shares up here right around the $83, $85 area. I didn't have many shares like I showed you guys in yesterday's video. I only had 30 shares. I kept 10 just for the sake of it. I think I might have had 30 or 38. I'm not too sure, but altogether I made a little bit over $1,000 profit on the day. But to take that into consideration, one of the things that you guys should know is based off of what I am up on the day, it was also down yesterday from where I originally bought at $73 a share. So if you guys go back to yesterday's video, I showed you my open position of 30 shares at an average purchase price of $73. Obviously, it sold off. I think I was down anywhere from around $300 to $400. So it was nothing significant, but due to the push that we experienced today, I sold more than half of my shares, just rebalancing out my position. Made a couple dollars. So again, the full $1,000 is not all profit. About half of that is profit. But just happy to balance out my position and to kind of see what happens now moving forward. The other one that I quickly wanted to talk about is Tesla saw a lot of activity, also a really nice push. It hit highs of 864 for those that traded. I'm still holding a couple of shares just at these current levels right now, and I made a total of $2,700 profit on that one. So wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update on what caused AMC and GME to push up today, as a lot of people were asking. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. But it's pretty safe to say that if Robinhood never restricted them, I would be curious to see, how this whole thing would have played out, just because as soon as they remove that restriction, we literally see an 80% movement on GME, right? So just imagine when it was previously trading at $500, where it could have gone from there if they never initiated or implemented any of those restrictions. Would we have hit $1,000? I guess we'll never know. But as of right now, a lot of consolidation, very unclear direction, very high risk. If you do choose to trade it, just really understand that it's been losing a lot of its momentum. It's been losing a lot of its hype. Today was great that we saw a nice little pump, but again, it's safe to say that it pretty much gave back a majority of its margin through the later hours as it lost a lot of that volume. So just make sure you always take that into consideration, that with these momentum plays, momentum is obviously the key factor, and when hype is no longer present, they pretty much just continue to load off and make lower lows and lower highs. So quick little update for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment those down below. Don't forget to join our free Facebook group. We have a little bit over 303,000 members, and that's that first link in the description. If you guys want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to drop a thumbs up, as we do upload new videos every single day. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.